In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2023 Mazda CX5. To replace the cabin air filter, you're going to open up the glove box, take everything inside the glove box out. There is a pin on one side, and you will see there's a plastic pin on this side too. What you're going to do is you're going to pull these just enough to where that pin clears the body or the dash. And then the whole glove box will pop right out. Now the glove box is only going to pop out so much. Do not push it down any more than what it is. You don't need to get any more clearance than this. Now if you look straight back, you're going to see a little tab in the center of the air filter. All you're going to do is grab that tab and just slide it right out. It's not locked in or anything like that. You can see this one's quite dirty. It's got some, quite a bit of stuff in there. If you look on the side of the filter, it'll tell you the airflow direction or the arrow. So the arrow goes facing down. Slide it into the same spot the other one was in. And just slide it right in. Push it in. And that's it. Now we can close the glove box. So if we just push it up, it should pop right in place. And there you go. Put your stuff back in your glove box. And you just replaced a cabin air filter on a CX5 Mazda. This is a better look at the old filter. You can see how dirty it is. This one's about 2 years old. Okay, so people ask me, when should you change that filter? On this vehicle I have, the Mazda, I don't do a lot of driving. I do a lot of city driving in the area. It's not that dusty or anything like that. So I change it every 2 years. That's just my preference. I recommend you look in the manual and you do what the manual says. In the description area below, I'll put a link to the filter. That's all I have. Any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. You all take care and God bless you.